answer. Amen. Amen. And all tunnels are now open. All tunnels are now open. Please confirm that. Send her train round, if that's the case. Sending her train round now, sir. Off she goes. Oh, all tunnels are not open yet. She wasn't happy. Oh, really? You're upset you're trying to get through. I know, I don't like that bit either. I'm going to have to do something about that, aren't I? It just flies nicely as a sort of weight. Yeah, you have to keep breaking through, yeah, I know, but then just, yeah, I know. Should we try again anyway? Oh, oh. I have to reset. Reset. In the meantime, all tunnels are open. Please send round her train. Oh no! What can I do? I know, just try anything. Try anything. Yeah. Tried everything and nothing. Confirm all tunnels are open. Sending out reconnaissance team. Reconnaissance team out. Please confirm all tunnels are now open. Open but not necessarily passable. I would have said on this side, yes. Please confirm from the other side. And I would have said from this side, yes. From the top of the mountain, yeah. Thank you, reconnaissance. Send out to the motorised patrol vehicle team. Send out the motorised team and trailer motorised team ready. Hang on, Steve, you haven't built the motorised team yet, still in the box. Never mind. Metaphysically, send out the motorised team driving. Ah! No! Tuck in me now. Send out the motorised team. Drive around. Can you confirm, please, motorised team, that A, all the tunnels are open and are ready and prepared for you and your trailer to go in, and track team going in. Track team going in. And track team landed. And thank you everyone, and